Okay, so question number 7. What is the molecular geometry of carbon tetrafluoride? Okay, so to answer this question, we first need to draw out its Lewis structure. So in drawing the Lewis structure, we need to find the total number of valence electrons. So carbon has 4 valence electrons, and fluorine has 7. And since there are 4 fluorine atoms, we multiply this by 4. And when we add these values up, we get a total of 32 valence electrons. Okay, so now let's draw out our skeletal structure, with carbon being our central atom since it is able to form multiple bonds and because it is the least electronegative. And we can draw our 4 bonds to fluorine, like so. And now we'll fill up all of the lone pairs on our terminal atoms so that they have a complete octet. So now if I count out all the electrons in this structure, you can see that I already have my 32 electrons. So this is already the correct Lewis structure. So now when determining the molecular geometry, we need to analyze our central carbon atom. So we'll see that there are 0 lone pairs, and we have 4 bonded atoms. So if we use a Vesper theory table, we can find out its molecular geometry. Okay, so when we have 0 lone pairs and 4 bonded atoms, we have a tetrahedral molecular shape and electron geometry. We can also see that the carbon is sp3 hybridized and that the bond angles between the groups are around 109.5 degrees. Okay, so now let's see what the junior tutor said. They have the total number of valence electrons for both, and it's equal to 32. And when they drew out its Lewis structure, they also got a tetrahedral molecular shape. Okay, so this solution is correct.